Alright, so I've got a regular Home Depot or Lowe's 27-gallon container here. That's about how much soil's in there right now. It's pretty cold. I just mixed it up outside. Drilled poked holes in the bottom of this with a hot nail. Then I heated up with a blowtorch. I've got about 2 inches of soil in here, and I've just laid in the potatoes. Now we're going to cover them until the roots are covered, and then we'll wait and see what happens. I think this is gonna work out okay. Potatoes are poking through a good bit again. There might be some, a little bit deeper. I wanted to give them some time to poke their heads up. So I'm gonna wet down this surface and we're gonna add some more soil. Got my other bucket of homemade pre-made Mels mix here, which is 1/3 peat moss, 1/3 vermiculite, and 1/3 really good high quality compost, which in this case came from my garden. Added in some earthworm castings as well. So we're gonna take this and sprinkle it over our potatoes. Grab another bucket. I'm going to wet this layer just to make sure I'm getting good penetration at the end here. Definitely want to make sure these potatoes have enough water. I also added some yucca extract to this water just to make sure it distributes evenly. Alright, it's pretty wet there. Let's go ahead and add our other bucket. We're just gonna stop here for the day. We'll come back tomorrow and see what it's looking like. Right now we've got, it looks like 4 poking through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think I see a watermelon seed. Let's see if that germinates. That's still kind of dry. You know what, I actually might put some more water on. This is the potatoes 1 day after I covered them up. These things are crazy how vigorous they are. I love it. You could literally watch them grow. Potatoes are just, I can't keep up at all. I ran out of soil in my prepared bin, so I had to go make another batch. Made about 15 gallons. Might be more like 12 actually. But we're gonna go ahead and load her back up. Bucket. All right. I might do a little bit more and then we'll water it in. Alright, it is day 14 on the potato experiment. I came down, I did a little bit of maintenance. There was some bumps forming on some of the leaves here, and I'll show you that. But I just went ahead and snipped them in case they're galls or something like that, which is basically an insect nest. Let me flip the camera around. Alright, so these are the leaves that I snipped off. So you can see these little swells, and there's some insects that cause these things that look like these called galls. They basically lay their eggs, and that is the egg. So that's what I'm pretty sure that is. I just wanted to get it out of the grow room. This is our bin. So the potatoes are doing well. This is the plant that I snipped most of those leaves off of. Some off of this one as well. Not exactly sure. I haven't done any research though. If you know exactly what it is, feel free to let me know. You can see we've got a few potatoes poking through. Nothing quite in the middle yet. I think they're just going a little slower, but you can see all the cracks forming. So stay tuned to see how this experiment goes. We may add some soil today. We may wait another day or so, let them get some air. But I've got my bin pre-made, so it won't be any problem.